Welcome back, Python learners. In this particular video, I go over the solution to the guessing game. So do not look at the code below unless you've tried. I already went over all this in the previous one. You just want to see the solution. So code drops down. I got a main function. I got to play a guessing game function. Call the main function. It goes back up here, starts dropping down. Okay, secret number is 0, I play is equal to 1. Stay in the loop as long as play is greater than 0, because remember the user presses 0 to get out. Each play of the game, we generate a random number from 1 to 100 and put into secret number. We call the play guessing game, passing in the secret number. And then let's go to play guessing game. Your challenge was the right code that met this requirements. Here's the solution. Def, play guessing game, I number to guess, colon. We set the guess to 101. That forces us into yet another loop. We stay in this loop within this function until the user either presses 0 or wins the game. We set to 101. Is 101 greater than 0? The answer is yes. Enter a number between 1 and 100. Slash lets me continue the text onto another line. Notice I start the text, I end the text, slash, and then I put the quotes again. Whatever you enter, you convert to an int and put in there. If the guess equals 0, breaks you out of the loop, and then we come back down to here, we return 0, and then we come up here, 0 is put into here, and we come back up, 0 is not greater than 0, and we stop the program. But let's pretend you did not press 0. You put a number that was too high. Guess was too high. We say too high. Try again. We come down and we go back up to the loop. You put a number that is too low. We say number too low. And you come back up. Ask for another number. Just say you happen to say it's not 0. It's not greater. It's not less. So we get to here. What do we know? You must have won it. You guessed it. Break gets you out of the loop. You return the guess. You come back up to here. And because it's not 0, it gets yet another number to generate, and we play the game. So let's play the game. I'm going to try 50. And it says I'm too low. I'm going to do 75. Too low. I'm going to do 85. Too low. I'm going to do 90. Too high. So I know it's between 85 and 90. I'm going to use my programming logic and say 87. And I got it. I hit 0. Program is over. And we did it.